It's Dad.
You gave them your bathtub. Don't give them...
This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. This is a national emergency. Please pay attention to this broadcast very closely. The President of the United States is unable to speak at this time due to him being unfortunately deceased. At 4:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, many police departments across the United States have received an overflow of 911 calls pertaining to rapidly rising floodwaters in all of the lower 48 states, including Alaska and Hawaii. These floodwaters are sweeping away thousands and thousands of people, including structures. At this moment, casualties are estimated to be in the millions. At this time, all residents are advised to follow these instructions for your own safety. If you are awake at this moment, wake up your relatives or anyone inside your home and move immediately to the highest point you can. If you are unable to make it to high ground, it is advised to prepare for your untimely demise, as there's nothing you can do to stop your fate from happening. In addition, new information has been revealed about this situation at hand. It has been suspected that an unknown figure by the name of Miss Valerie is behind the catastrophic flash flooding events that occurred in recent times. Unfortunately, due to the magnitude of power that this figure has, there's nothing that can be done. Humanity is expected to go underwater within the next hour. As the waters begin to rise in my location, I shall let us know that we are the United States of America, and we shall not fall, as we are a nation under God. This concludes my message. May God save us all.